Krishna. My name is Shibam, and I am the one of the student of Bhakti Sadachar. Just like when I enter in a Krishna consciousness, I always get, I get some service and I get some opportunities, but I always wanted to go deeper in the philosophy. So one of my mentor, he suggested me for enroll for me to Bhakti Sadachar. When I enter, I have a confusion that its course duration is 2.5 months. What I learn inside the course that I cannot get from the books and Srila Prabhupada books, because before that I used to read the Srila Prabhupada books, Bhagavad Gita, all the books that I just continuously reading. So what I learned from the course, when I enter in the course, so one thing that I learned, Srila Prabhupada desire is always that we are not a sentimental worshippers. We have to go the deeper in the philosophy, and what exactly VIH and what exactly Bhakti Sadachar teach me. My best part is life lessons of Acharyas, where I just learn how our Acharyas practice his devotional life, how they write so many scriptures that is welfare for us in nowadays. And all the staffs and all the members, they actually help me to get deeper in the philosophy, and they just hold my hand. They just hold my hand that okay, you are not alone. We will support you for go deeper in your bhakti and just enrich that enlightenment in our heart. So best thing at the end, just I would like to suggest why why we have to do the Bhakti Sadachar. Some persons always have the confusion that spiritual knowledge is always benefit for that when we are just planning to pursuing our career as a spiritual life. But seriously, I'm just basically belonging from college universities background. I have not background of spiritually, but now after studying all this content and material, just I would like to just suggest that this knowledge is not just for if you want to walk in a spiritually. This knowledge will also help us in your material life also, as well as you can apply this knowledge in your material life. So I just must suggest everyone just come in this environment of VIH and Sri Dham Vrindavan especially. VIH is located on Sri Dham Vrindavan, so we must have to come and just learn and just go deeper into the philosophy of Srila Prabhupada. Hare Krishna.